Come test drive the 2019 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, radio data system, compass. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.